So while they're doing some serious acting, I thought I'd show you guys making my pot noodle. It's today we have a peri-peri chicken pot noodle. You know, it's pretty nice, pretty decent. You know, it's the thing to think about these days. You know. So we've got our kettle here. It's purple, with a black handle. You know, standard. You know, Oasis bottle there. So let's read the instructions for you guys. Basically, right. Says here, rip off with it. We've done that. We've poured the boiling water in. We've got to leave for 2 minutes. It's currently been 1 minute, I think. I do believe. So gotta wait, and then we'll start again. So I should update you guys. You know, when that time arrives. So yeah, stay sexy.
Matt, you can edit around this. Edit this bit out when you see this, and just do this. This is the final bit of the pot noodle sequence that you're going to have in your current scenes if you don't have to do it. Alright, sorry. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so there, well, now I'm just eating my pot noodle that I finished. So see how it tastes. Yes, nice. That's good. It's very good. You should try it yourself. Thank you for watching my pot noodle experience. Hope you liked it.